You weren't accepted to be monetized. Now what do?
You blow your brains out.
Hey everyone, so this video is about if you have not been enabled for monetization. So if you go to your channel status and you click enable, and this pops up, account status currently ineligible for monetization. Unfortunately, your channel wasn't approved for monetization. What do you do? What do you do? Like, seriously, what do you do? Well, all you can do is basically just sit there and wait, because what it states is you can reapply to join the YouTube Partner Program within 30 days. So if you aren't ineligible for monetization, don't worry, because after 30 days you can actually reapply and try to get monetized again. But mind you, you do need another 1,000 subscribers as well as another 4,000 watch hours in order to get reviewed again. So you have to start over, which kind of sucks. But yeah, it does tell you here why your channel isn't monetized, also what's not being accessed, and also what's going on. So basically, the reason why I wasn't basically ineligible for monetization is because it says reused content. So my reason was because of reused content for some odd reason. I will be doing another video about that and going into depths about reused content, because I find that complete horseshit, to be honest, because a lot of people copy other people's contents and reuse content. But anyways, what's not being accessed, our aim is to create an environment that's fair for all creators. We're not looking at things like the popularity of your videos, all this stuff, your sexual orientation or gender identity, engagement with fans, how often you upload. I think, you know, YouTube says that they're trying to make things fair for all creators, but I honestly believe it's unfair. YouTube is 100% unfair and unjust, totally unequal for all YouTubers, and they treat all YouTubers differently. And then it says tips to get your channel approved next time: review the rules, keep it real, avoid uploading content that belongs to someone else, and don't pay to increase views, counts, likes, or subscribers, obviously, and reapply when ready. Take your time, make sure everything looks good. You can reply anytime after December 14th. So basically, if you aren't accepted, don't worry, stay calm, stay safe. Read exactly what you believe that YouTube isn't accepting you for like my reason, reuse of content. Well, that just blows my mind away, and I'll be going into depth about that in another video, because it states like not doing gameplay or anything. So that's basically doing any commentary or any review or anything is basically against their use or their content reuse, which is blows my mind. I'll do another video, because like YouTubers like PewDiePie, that's all they do is reuse content. But yeah, so just basically stay calm, go through the reasons why you weren't accepted, make sure that you have a month to basically prep and get ready and strategize and do what you're going to do. And basically after that 30 days is up, then you can reapply. You need to get another 1,000 subscribers and another 4,000 watch hours, and then they'll review your channel again. Mind you, if you are using free copyright music, I believe that might also be a reason why you're not allowed to reuse content. I don't know, I'll go into more depth about that in another video. So good luck everyone. I hope this video helped you. Stay calm, and hopefully you guys will all be monetized, and hopefully I'll be monetized as well. Let's help each other out. Thanks for watching. Peace out everyone.